the World Cup, one of the most viewed sporting events in the world. While soccer might not be your cup of tea, there's no reason you can't join in and cheer for Team USA. Here is a quick crash course on the tournament and how the World Cup works. The World Cup happens every 4 years, with the 2014 tournament taking place in Brazil. There have been 19 World Cups played, with the inaugural tournament being held in 1930. The U.S. is one of 32 teams that have qualified to compete in the tournament. Here's how it works. The 32 teams are divided into 8 groups of 4, classified by letter. Team USA has been placed in Group G along with Germany, Portugal, and Ghana. They are considered the underdog in this group, as Germany and Portugal are very strong teams, while Ghana has knocked the US out of the last 2 World Cups. The first portion of the tournament is the group stage, where the teams play within their respective group. During group play, the teams are scored based on the outcomes of the games. 3 points for a win, 1 point for a tie, and no points for a loss. The 2 teams with the highest point totals from their groups will move on to the second stage, leaving 16 teams remaining in the tournament. This second round becomes much more intense, as the games are single elimination matches. At this point, a bracket is set up and the groups are intermixed, with the number 1 ranking teams playing number 2 ranking teams. The winner of these games live to play in the quarterfinals, and the loser heads home. This same pattern continues, and the winner of the quarterfinals is moved into the semifinals, and ultimately the match that determines the World Cup champion.